Hey everyone, I am so excited right now. So I am so excited because I purchased a ring light. Finally gave in, I know, right? So I've been on YouTube for approximately a little over a year now. I probably started not this past July, but the July before that. So yeah, a little over a year, and I've never owned a ring light. I always use the box photography lights. They always worked really well for me, at least I thought. And then my ring light came in today and I realized oh, this is what I've been missing. In today's video, I figured I would do a little St. Patrick's Day look. Of course, because St. Patrick's Day, that is time for partying, drinking, having fun. Not only that, but maybe spending time with your family, especially if you are Irish. You might do something that is a little bit more family oriented or some Irish traditions. Me personally, I am not Irish, but I love to go to my local St. Patty's Day parade just because it's a lot of fun and I love parades. Not only because they throw out candy, but just because I just thought that I would do, you know, something simple but a little spunky, just to kind of, I don't know, lighten up the mood and also kind of add another video to my channel that is holiday related. Therefore, in case you don't want to try this year, you know where to come back next year for a look. So let's just jump into the video. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is just kind of prime my eyes and set a base in general on my face. I'm just gonna use my Shape Tape. I'm gonna first start off using my Take Me to Brazil palette. So the very first shade that I wanna dive into is this really deep green right here, and I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of it with this one, so between these two. So I'm just gonna blend this all around. I'm gonna bring this down in the corner as well and then start to take it out a little bit more. And I'm trying my hardest not to create any fallout since I already have my face done. I think I'm gonna mix a little bit of this black with a little bit of this sparklier green. It looks like the same shade as this, it just has a little bit of, you know, twinkle to it. And I'm gonna work it in right in the outer corner. I'm not gonna go deeper than half of my eye. Now whatever's left on this brush, a little bit of black and then that green, I'm just gonna go ahead back in and take a little bit more of that shiny green and then work it this way. Well, I kind of like it with a straight defined crease, you know, or I mean a straight defined cut like that. To cut my crease with, I'm going to use my P. Louise base. This is in the shade 0.5. I think it's easiest to kind of operate with it whenever it's on the back of my hand. So I'm just gonna put a little bit back there. Oof, my hair is in my face. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing on this side, of course. I think what I want to do is go ahead into my Too Faced palette. Now I had it open just because, I don't know, it's a good mirror. And having it open, I realized that this Rolling in Dough shade, it's a nice light beigey white. You know, I mean, it's just a light shade that I think would look really, really nice deep in here. Going back to my Take Me to Brazil palette, I think I want to take, oh, my knee just cracked and it did not feel good. I want to take this green. It's a lighter shade, you know. I want to take it right in here and just blend these two together. I do want to do a little bit of eyeliner just to kind of spice it up, and for eyeliner today I'm going to use my, I never know how to pronounce this, whether it's Deuce or Douce, but it's graphic eyeliner. And we are just going to do like a thin line across, and then I want to blend in a little bit more black shadow with where the liner stops. So I'm not going to wing it out today. I think it's definitely adding some smokiness to the eye look. Ooh. Wow. I mean, that did a lot to my eyes, I feel like. Okay, I was just like waiting for my eyelash to get tacky, but I think we're there. So while my eyelashes are drying, like before I put on mascara or anything, I've been thinking about it, and I think I want to do the underneath of my eye a lot like how I did the top, like the crease. I'm going to use that same brush too. I think I'm going to actually use this like sparklier green, like the one I used out here, and then blend it in with the black, and we'll see how it turns out. Hope I like it. I think this look is pretty simple, but it's like dramatic at the same time. I think that looks really cool so far. I mean, really the only other things that I have to do is kind of highlight, but I feel like my contour just kind of wore off because I re-concealed myself. So real quick to bronze, I'm gonna take my Hoola bronzer, and we're just gonna like redefine my cheeks really quick. I love my Hoola bronzer. I'm gonna highlight with my Urban Decay highlighter in the shade Sin. It's been one of my favorites, and it has gold in it. So we need a little bit of mascara down here. I think the eyes turn out really, really well. So this is the final look. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's something simple, it's quick, it's easy. I probably used like 3 shades. You don't even have to use as many shadows as I did, you know, if you want to simplify it a little bit more. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for subscribing and being here. And if you aren't subscribed, you know where the button's at. Yeah, thanks again for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.